Today we're going to talk about how to create barcodes as streams in C# using IronBarcode. What's up guys? Welcome to this tutorial where we're going to talk about how to create barcodes as streams in C# using IronBarcode. I assume that you already have IronBarcode installed on your machine, so we're going to skip all that jazz and move straight to the program.cs file. So first things first, we import the IronBarcode namespace at the top of our code. And this makes all the classes, interfaces, and functions under IronBarcode accessible to us. So next you see we create a barcode that contains the URL of IronBarcode, and we use the data matrix encoding scheme. And once the barcode is created, we convert and export it into streams of various formats such as JPEG, PNG, TIFF, GIF, and PDF. And we do this using the methods provided by the IronBarcode. And then finally, we also convert the barcode to a default stream in case no specific format is specified. So now that we have written our code, let's go ahead and run the program. And we'll wait a few moments for the project to complete. All right, and there you have it. We've successfully generated and exported barcodes in streams of various formats using IronBarcode. And this library offers you a lot more functionality, so don't hesitate to explore further on your own and see what it can do. All right, we hope that you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe if you would like some more helpful tutorials from Iron Software. And if you'd like to delve into the software firsthand, you can check out the link in the description below. And we have a trial subscription where you can experience the power of Iron Software yourself.